Most people treat their bodies like a rental car. They floor the accelerator in their 20s, skip oil changes in their 30s, and then they're shocked when the transmission falls out at 50.
I'm Mike Wayne Hansen. I'm 53 years old. I've been a contractor for 30 years. I've carried thousands of pounds of tile. I've crawled through attics. I've had my arm up a sewer pipe up to my elbows and all kinds of crap. And I've spent more time on a ladder than a 50-year-old stripper who... Talking about being rode hard and put away wet. Woo.
But despite all those years of hard labor, I also know what rebuilt feels like.
Whether you're a blue-collar worker like me, a weekend warrior, or someone who's just trying to keep up with their kids, the reality is the same. Our bodies all have a shelf life. You wake up in the morning and realize that the check engine light has been on for years. Let's get the science straight. What is a peptide?
If you look at a protein, it's a massive complex molecule. Amino acids are the fundamental single molecular units. A peptide is a short chain of amino acids linked together. Think of your body like a 24/7 construction site. You have trillions of cells acting as workers. In your 20s, that site is buzzing.
When a pipe bursts, that's the injury, the repair peptide is dispatched immediately. It travels to the cell, it knocks on the door, that's what we call a receptor, and delivers the work order. Hey, get to work on that shoulder.
As we age, that dispatch center stops sending the orders. By the time you hit 50, your levels of key peptides have dropped significantly.
If you've done any research, I'm sure you've heard of the...
What the heck? Get out of my video!
The Wolverine stack.
Whoa!
They're the combination of BPC 157 and TB 500. They're considered the gold standard. Let's look to see why they're the #1 go-to in repair. BPC, Body Protective Compound 157, was originally found in gastric juice. Think about that. The same juices that break down the steak you just ate produce a molecule that repairs your body. Whoa!
BPC 157's primary mechanism is angiogenesis. That's a fancy word for building new roads. Tendons and ligaments are white tissue, meaning they have almost zero blood flow. No blood flow means no nutrients, which means no healing. BPC 157 builds the supply roads back.
Then you have TB 500. Which is a synthetic version of thymosin beta 4.
If BPC 157 is the road builder, TB 500 is the logistics manager. It helps cells migrate. It's been shown to help with actin sequencing, which is a process your cells use to physically move towards an injury. When you stack them, you're creating a coordinated effort. One builds the infrastructure, the other one drives the repair crew. This isn't just for bodybuilders. This is for the person whose knees pop and crack every time they stand up.
Now we have to talk about the elephant in the room. For the last few years, peptides have been an illegal gray market. In 2023, the FDA nuked the industry, putting things like BPC 157 on the restricted list.
They claimed there wasn't enough data for compounding. It forced everyone into the shadows, buying research-only vials from websites that looked like they were run out of a basement. You never knew what you were getting. Real medicine? Heavy metals? Bacteria? Who knows?
But everything changed on February 27th of 2026 when HHS Secretary RFK Jr., stated on the Joe Rogan podcast that he was going to be moving 14 of the 19 peptides back to Category 1. What does that mean for you? It means the Wild West is over. If you're still buying vials that say not for human consumption, you're taking a huge risk. Oh, man. That you really don't need to anymore. Because you see, the science has finally caught up with the results, and the law has caught up with the science. Oh, here we go. Now let's go deeper, because once you fix the joints, it's time to take a look at the paint job. Now let's talk about peptides that go beyond just injury. GHK-Cu is the general contractor for your hair and skin. When we age, our copper peptide levels drop by as much as 60%. That's why your skin gets thin, you wrinkle, and your hair stops growing. Kind of makes me mad. Ah! Look at that. Even when I'm just trying to make videos, I still end up driving splinter right through my finger. Man, this job's hard. I keep getting hurt all the time. I gotta quit. GHK-Cu signals the body to increase collagen and elastin production. If you're old like this house, it's what starts the resurfacing job. And boy, does this one need one. Whoa. It's about more than looking young. It's about skin integrity, making sure your body's largest organ is an actual functioning barrier. Then we have the brain peptides, C-Max and C-Link. Think of these as the software upgrade for your brain. C-Max was originally designed for stroke victims. It increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. I call this Miracle-Gro for your neurons. It helps with focus, memory, and cognitive load. If you're like me, running a business, starting a new brand, dealing with the family, your internal processor can get overheated. C-Links is its cousin. It's an anxiolytics, which means it helps regulate the stress response without the fog of traditional meds.
At 53, I don't just want my knees to work. I want my mind to be as sharp as a diamond blade. I want the clarity to solve problems in my business as fast as I did at 25.
Now let's talk about the fuel system. CJC 1295, it's a growth hormone secretagogue. Now don't let the word hormone scare you. It doesn't give you growth hormone, which can shut down your body's natural production. Instead, it instructs the pituitary gland to release the hormone you already have. It creates a pulse that mimics how a 20-year-old's body works. Why is that important? Because growth hormone is the master key in metabolism and deep sleep.
When you're in deep REM sleep, that's when the repair crew gets the most work done. If you aren't sleeping, you aren't healing. These peptides help fix the air-to-fuel ratio in your body, helping you burn visceral fat, maintain muscle mass without having to spend 4 hours a day in the gym. It's about efficiency. It's about making sure the machine is running at peak performance even when it's idling. But is it all unicorns and rainbows? No. There is no such thing as a free lunch in biology. There are real risks, and if you ignore them, you're an idiot. First, the cancer risk. Because BPC 157 grows blood vessels, it doesn't have a moral compass. It doesn't care if it's growing them for a healthy tendon or a hidden tumor. If you have an undiagnosed growth, peptides could theoretically feed it.
You must get a full screening, like the Gallery test or even a full body MRI, before you start tinkering with signaling molecules.
Second, the purity problem. Even though the law is changing, the basement labs are still out there. If you inject heavy metals or bacteria into your system, you're gonna have a bad day.
Peptides enhance a healthy lifestyle. They do not replace one. You have to give that cleanup crew a clean job site to do their work. getting some good sleep, a good diet with plenty of protein, and a few supplements that most people are missing in their diet, and then being a little bit active. Get outside and move. That's all most people really even need. I'm 53, and I used to look like this, right there. Now I'm lean. I feel better than I did when I was 25, all because I took my health serious. I eat a good breakfast full of the things my body needs, some basic supplements that we're all missing.
I carry a backpack with 30 pounds of water every day, and it gives me all the exercise I need in only 15 to 30 minutes, and I feel great. This isn't about anti-aging, it's about functional longevity. For me, it's about being the guy who can still climb the ladder, still pull the cable, and get up the next morning without feeling broken.
If you want my specific protocol, the food I eat, the supplements I take, how you too can lose weight, feel better than you have in years, just with Rucking, using the same adjustable water weight bladder that I currently use. It's perfect for men, for women of any age. And if you've never done anything like this before, it really doesn't matter. What matters is that you start today. You start taking your health serious and you get on track. I've started a community for real people like you and me. We're building a crew of people who refuse to be broken. Stop accepting the decline. Start your repair today. Add years to your life.
It was just dill pickle juice. See, dill pickle juice. It wasn't really gastric juice. I didn't really drink gastric juice. It really did taste bad because it's dill pickle juice. It was really strong, but it's just dill pickle juice. But anyways, if you should click on the video here. I'm gonna make more really goofy, informative videos like this. So if you like this one, click here. Oh, don't forget to share it too. It helps if you comment below. I'm just trying to build this. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making stuff up as I go. Dill pickle juice. So it's still really bad though. It's still really bad. But please click on my next video and share it. Okay, I gotta go. Stuff's falling down everywhere, but click on the video right there. Click right there. I think it's right there. Maybe, is it over here? Maybe it's over here. I'm not really sure, but it's either over here or it's over there. I don't know, but click on it and share Vlasic dill pickle juice. Dill pickle juice, okay.